Shankari for Kailash Women's College, Nangavelli, Department of Microbiology. Today I see the topic for Bacillus anthrax. Bacillus anthrax is a small type of microorganism. That microorganism causes some disease for humans then animals. The first introduced by Robert Koch, 1882, March 24th. There are zoonotic diseases. The Bacillus anthrax are primarily affected for animals, then secondary affected for humans. There are obligated microorganism. Morphology. There are gram-positive microorganism, non-motile microorganism. There are non-acid-fast microorganism. There are spore-forming microorganism. Bacillus anthrax is commonly found in soil. Then everywhere, Bacillus anthrax arranged in single and chain form. Their size went to 1 mm to 4 mm into diameter. Mode of transmission. Bacillus anthrax is a spread to spore form. The spore are germinated into the vegetative cells. Once inside of the infection, the Bacillus anthrax is highly resistant to spore. There are chain may be surrounded in capsule. The capsule made up of polypeptide chain in nature. The chain may be pampostick-like structure. The spores are present in aerobic conditions only. The microorganisms are only growth in aerobic condition. Culture characteristics. The microorganisms only grow on aerobic conditions. There are optimum temperatures 37 degrees Celsius to 24 hours incubation period after growing the only microorganism. There are spore forming temperature from 25 degrees Celsius to 30 degrees Celsius. The Bacillus anthrax grow on different media. First of all, nutrient broth. Then Bacillus are growth in turbidity or in nutrient broth. Nutrient agar media. The colonies are irregular appearance. The colonies are surrounded in 2 mm into 3 mm in diameter. Greenish color in that media. The colonies are medusa head-like structures. The appearance you will do medusa head-like structures. Blood agar media. Non-hemolytic process. Non-hemolytic mean non-utilize the blood source in microorganisms. The microorganism not eat the red blood cells. Selective media, PLE media. Polymyxin lysozyme, EDTA, thallus acetate agar media. The media was first discovered by Knisley. The media are red color. Grown microorganisms are white color colony appearance. The biochemical reactions glucose, fructose, lactose produce acids only. Catalase or a catalase enzyme produce. There are positive, methylene blue positive, VP positive, oxidase positive, catalase positive, indole positive, anthrax toxin, factor 1, factor 2, factor 3. There are 3 types of factors. The factor 1 entire the body cells, factor 2 causing edema, itchings and causing infections, factor 3 kill the all body cells. Pathogenesis. First of all, lesions started, become fluids, next converted in black hoses. The black hoses are formed in anthrax disease. The Bacillus anthrax is a 3 type of disease causing agents. First of all, respiratory anthrax, cutaneous anthrax, gastrointestinal anthrax. The specimen lab diagnosis. The first of all specimen, pus fluid, blood, sputum, pus. Symptoms: the pain of body, chest pain, shortness of breathing, cough, fever, headache. Treatment: streptomycin, penicillium, ciprofloxacin, tetracycline. Prevention, production of. Today discuss about Bacillus anthrax. Thank you.